Alright guys, so now that I have the other surge protector extension cord over here, I'm just gonna feed this wire down and we're gonna see if this works with the fan. Right, moment of truth. Shit. Oh, shit. Ready? Oh shit, you can see it? Awesome. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You hear that? The fan is going. It's on. We're so good. Oh shit, the camera's dying. Why is the camera dying? No, I thought we were plugged in. No! Oh shit, you guys fell. Are we good? No, I had so many more videos. It's just going down. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. I hope you have a wonderful time of day or night that you're seeing this video, and I'm so sorry that you had to see my struggle a lot today. But anyways, isn't it entertaining? Anyways, I should probably let the camera charge. Bye!